Buccaneers quarterback Tom Brady came to Tampa Bay seeking new opportunities and a fresh start. H is now learning how hard it is to pursue such dreams when time clearly isn't on your side.
Brady certainly is experiencing things he hadn't during his 20 years in New England. The problem is that too much of that has included suspect coaching decisions and predictable issues with chemistry.
The Kansas City Chiefs spent much of Sunday afternoon exposing what is becoming a familiar quandary for the Bucs. Tampa Bay lost 27-24, but the score, as is often the case with this team, didn't provide a true image of how this game played out.
The Buccaneers struggled to keep pace with the Chiefs for most of the contest. A late rally in the fourth quarter merely masked the fact that the buzz around this team has evaporated in the last month. The Bucs had an absurd plan for defending Chiefs quarterback Patrick Mahomes and wide receiver Tyreek Hill.
They had an offensive strategy that led to only one first down in their first 4 possessions.
This was supposed to be a matchup between two teams that had their sights set on playing in the Super Bowl in Tampa in a couple months. Instead, the Bucs looked every bit like a team still searching for a consistent identity heading into a Week 13 bye.
"Everybody tried to hand us the Lombardi Trophy in August," said Bucs head coach Bruce Arians when asked about his team dropping to 7-5 on the season. "You just don't throw guys out there with names. You've got to practice.
You've got to learn to get in sync with each other. That takes time." Tampa Bay now has lost 3 of its last 4 games. If you count the Bucs' uninspiring 25-23 win over the New York Giants on November
2. They've produced only one impressive effort in the last 5 weeks. This isn't the look of a team brimming with talent. It's the perfect example of a squad that is starting to free fall at exactly the wrong time.
This team has just 2 wins this season against opponents that currently have winning records.